1, 2, 3, action.
1, 2, 3, and action.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome. So, our sea moss has been soaking for 48 hours, which is 2 days, almost 48 hours. It's been soaking for a day and a half. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Oopsie. Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, I'm trying to get it up so you can see. Oh, yummy. Can you see that? Okay, so today we're making sea moss gel. I'm going to be using my blender here. I have a glass jar and I have a glass just in case. And I have this to scoop our water. So let's go. So I've been soaking this in some lemon. There's some lemon here. You can use lime if you're a lime person. And it's been soaking for a while, like I said. So you must thoroughly wash your sea moss. What I did was I washed my sea moss for a couple of minutes, I guess 10 minutes or so. My toddler actually helped me wash the sea moss. And then I soaked it for 4 hours. And then I discarded that water. And then after that 4 hours, I then soaked the sea moss. So first wash, soak for 4 hours, discard the water, and then re-soak. And this is obviously the re-soak. This has now been a day and a half, almost 2 days that I've soaked this. The reason I've done it for so long is because one, I had the time, and two, it just makes it that much softer because I've got a little blender over here. We don't have a Vitamix. Vitamix, if you see this, send me a Vitamix. Yes. So yes, let's go for it. Let's get our blender a little closer to us and see how we're going to do this. Okay, I've got a little kitchen scissors here because I've heard a lot of things about the moss breaking the blender. So we don't want it to get wrapped around the blades of the blender. Let's get more gel. I'm gonna speed this video up probably. Some parts of the video. Look at that. Ah, that looks good. It looks so yum. We're gonna put it in here. So what we love about sea moss, obviously, are the benefits of the sea moss. I mean, 102 minerals that your body needs, and this has 90 plus of those minerals. Really? I mean, so if you're deficient in anything in your body, sea moss is the way to go, as opposed to taking different types of vitamins, so different supplements. Just get yourself some sea moss and you can have literally as much as you want. I'll be doing a tablespoon a day. I'm also going to show you a nice recipe I got because I have a toddler at home. So I have a lovely recipe for his porridge. So I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to cut with the kitchen scissors. Yes, lovely. Cut that up. Perfect. Awesomeness. And I think we have a little bit left. Let's see. This is my sea moss. I could actually just scoop it up with my hands, but we're doing it for camera. So we won't be doing that in the camera. Yes, guys. Because some people are really picky. You could do a video and somebody could be like, she touched the sea moss with her hand. Oh, it's my sea moss. We almost there, guys. There's barely anything left. Oh, lovely. Okay, literally nothing left. Literally nothing left except some lemon pieces. And now what's lovely about this water is that it has formed some bit of a gel. It's a jelly liquid, so it's not clear, and that's because of the sea moss. So we do not want to waste this. I'm going to be using this for a rinse, but because we need water for the blender, the instructions say I need to put as much water, or as much, I need to put water up to the sea moss level, so as much water as there is sea moss. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want a wet gel, I'm going to just start off with this amount of water, and we're gonna start blending and see how this goes. I'm so excited. We're gonna see how this goes. And remember guys, don't discard this water because sea moss is such an amazing source of minerals. You would want to use this for your hair. For example, I'm a hair person, so you'll know I'm going to use this for my hair rinse. You could use it for your skin. I'm going to be using the gel for my skin, but you can absolutely wash this. You can just put it into your bath water and you can just have a lovely soak for your skin. It leaves your skin very soft. But yeah, don't discard the water guys. So here we go. And let's hope we have a beautiful gel when we're done. And then I'll tell you a secret when I'm done. Let's just pause that a little bit. Glory be to the Most High. Thank you, Dr. Savy, as well. Hey, thank you, Dr. Savy. This is amazing. I'm just happy. I'm happy I soaked it for 48 hours because that was easy. I'm glad I did not put too much water because it's already quite liquidy. In fact, next time I'll probably put even less water, but I'm glad I didn't put a lot of water because I would have had a really runny gel, and it's quite a loose gel as it is. It's not that firm, but it does thicken upon standing, just like pasta. It thickens upon standing. Once it gets to the fridge, it's really going to firm up as well. So I do want it really smooth, so I want a smooth consistency. So I'm just going to keep blending. You can blend up to 5 minutes. I don't want it to get hot, so I'm going to blend and stop and blend and stop. But I'm loving it. Let me just open and see. Guys! I don't know if you can see my reaction in camera when I stand up. I can use my fork, man. Look at that. Ooh, can you see that? Ooh, look at that. Yo, guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh, man, it's thick. See? Ah! Okay, y'all know I'm just gonna lick that. What does it taste like? It tastes like an ocean. I washed this so thoroughly. When I tell you thoroughly, I'm going to do another video of how I wash my sea moss, but I washed it so thoroughly, and then obviously I put the lime so the taste is neutralized. It literally tastes like the freshest seawater. It's not my birthday yet. It's my birthday on the 1st of December. That was too easy. Awesomeness. I'm going to move this lovely water out of the way. I will be using this for my hair, absolutely. Put it that side. Gel! Come to me. Just need to switch this off. It is off. And I need to take this off the hook. We don't want any accidents. Do that. Oh, this is lovely though. Oh, guys. Oh, this is lovely. Let me just check the consistency of the gel. Listen, this is the truth. This is the absolute truth. Okay, we have our glass jar. I don't believe this. What I didn't do was get a spoon. Oh, okay, we can manage. Oh, yeah. Oh. Listen, we filled the whole jar. Listen, and I didn't need that much water. Oh, listen, I'm impressed. Listen, I'm happy. Listen, this is my sea moss. And I've got some sea moss left in the blender. I have quite a bit of sea moss left in the blender, and I have an idea what I want to do with it. In fact, ooh. Let that drop coming. It's just that I'm so excited now. I have this recipe I want to share with y'all, and I've been loving garbanzo beans, and I found this fantastic recipe that my toddler adores. I mean, he's just he's in love with this recipe. So I'm going to be sharing it with you now. So I'm going to leave sea moss. I'm not going to rinse this out. That's what I'm trying to explain. I'm going to leave, look at that gel though, guys. I'm going to be leaving this, the gel in the jar. I'm not going to be rinsing this out at all because I have an amazing recipe with garbanzo beans that I want to show you now. Guys, here's our sea moss. We're highly impressed. La Lela. This is everything. Sea moss, there we go. It's beautiful. There's my jar of sea moss. I don't know if this is zooming in or not. It doesn't have autofocus, so I doubt. But we're very happy with this. Me. Hey, I'm very happy with my sea moss. Like, it looks good. This is exciting. I'm going to be drinking a tablespoon of this. My side is going to probably be having a teaspoon or two in a day. And this is just amazing. We're going to go through the benefits together, but this is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, man. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This is the truth. This is the truth. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a recipe for garbanzo bean. So listen up. So listen. This is my favorite part of this video because I really wanted to share this recipe with you. It is a garbanzo bean porridge that I make for my toddler and that I absolutely love as well. This is amazing. This is bomb, guys. I wake up with this almost every single day. It gives me the energy that I need. And well, I usually have breakfast late. But yeah, it's one of the first things I put into my body. And my son, this is literally one of the first things he also puts into his body after warm water, guys. So we're using the same blender with the gel because I'm not wasting this gel. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And I have some chickpeas. If you don't know how to prepare chickpeas, I soak them with warm water for a few hours. You can soak them in cold water overnight or warm water for a couple of hours. And then after that you boil them until they're nice and soft. They're not going to be squishy soft, but they're going to be soft enough when you bite them. Just pop one in your mouth and you'll know when it's ready. And I literally boil garbanzo beans just so I can make porridge. This is one of my favorite things to do, is to make garbanzo porridge. So this is how I do it. I don't want to touch, I know it's my food, but y'all, I don't want to touch the food in my hand, and then I know somebody out there is going to be like, eee, she touched her own food with her hands, you know? So, you put the garbanzo beans inside. That's quite a lot of beans already. I'm not going to be using all these beans in one go. This is about enough. Okay. And you need some warm to hot water. Yeah, just put things one side, okay? And I've got my bowl where I'm going to put my beans afterwards. And this is a glass, or cup should I say, of water. And we're going to put some inside. There we go. Okay, so we have that in there. Still got some sea moss up in here. Right, and then I need to click my blender in. Click. We got some plain cocoa. Add the cocoa in there. That's about enough cocoa. So what you can do is you can add cocoa, you can add, well, I add cocoa, you can add cinnamon. I love cinnamon, but not everybody loves cinnamon, so I give people that option if they want to put cinnamon or not. But cocoa is a yes. That's what gives it that flavor that I'm loving, and that's why I want to share the recipes, because of the cocoa. And you put some cinnamon, and of course a sweetener if you want a sweetener of your choice. I'm just trying to think, what else can you put? I guess you could use milk instead of water, but keep the calories down. Thank you for the
this beat, but no thank you for the meat. Watching doctors say be on repeat. Says my people be at ease. Natural foods are your shield. Alkaline will defeat all disease. Time to start eating clean. Pay attention to your greens. Important messages I repeat. Start eating clean. Pay special attention to your greens.
When I tell you this porridge is everything, this porridge is everything. I'm running out of space. I'm running out of space. This porridge is everything. This is off. Unhook that. Put this on the side, far end. Okay, got a bowl here, my glass bowl, and then we're just gonna tip this in here. Okay, this is a lot of porridge. Could feed 2 people. But for camera purposes, I'm just going to put it on the bowl for you. You do not have to add the cocoa. I just really love the taste of cocoa. You absolutely don't have to. But I'm just so happy because it has some sea moss in it. Right? Oh, yum. When I tell you this is a treat, this is an absolute treat. And if you put a sweetener, it's like a perfect dessert. This is a treat. I'm telling you, this is just a treat. Oh yeah. Oh yum. 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 It's not time for me to eat it, but because it's camera. Consistency is perfect. I just need some sweetener and some cinnamon, and then we're good. Thank you for watching. This is